Okay, so what if a totally boring research PDF, an endless corporate report, or, even your dense college textbook could become a fully animated, viral social media short in exactly 60 seconds? Seriously, think about that for a second. We're talking zero manual editing, zero script writing, and literally zero time spent setting up a microphone.
Welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to share this with you today because Google's NotebookLM just dropped an update that is, without a doubt, a total game changer for content creation and research. We're looking at a massive evolution here, taking it from just a quiet note-taking app to an absolute powerhouse presentation studio.
Section 1, 60 seconds to viral content. So right now, the stakes are pretty high. I mean, we're all drowning in PDFs and documentation, right? And trying to synthesize all that knowledge just takes hours. But NotebookLM addresses this directly. It can now automatically convert your long, text-heavy documents into punchy, vertical, educational videos that are completely optimized for Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. And the best part? Absolutely zero video editing software is required.
But here's where we usually run into a massive problem with AI, right? Most standard AI video generators just kind of scrape the random internet for context. They guess, they assume, and worse, they hallucinate facts. So you end up with this visually stunning piece of content that's actually, well, fundamentally inaccurate. NotebookLM, however, is completely different, which perfectly solves that exact conflict.
The crucial point here is that NotebookLM is entirely what we call source-grounded. As this quote highlights, everything comes directly from your uploaded documents. No random facts, no made-up information. Basically, if your PDF says something, that's exactly what the AI explains. If your specific data isn't in the upload, it does not make it into the final output. This strict adherence to your documents makes it incredibly reliable for serious research, business applications, and academic education.
Section 2, 3 steps to creation.
This workflow is so straightforward, literally anyone can use it right now. Step 1, you just upload your sources, so PDFs, Google Docs, or links. Step 2, you open the video overview and select the new short format. And step 3, enter a custom prompt. Tell it exactly what you want it to do, like, hey, summarize the 5 most important ideas. The more specific your prompt, the better your output is going to be. Once you hit generate, the magic happens incredibly fast. In roughly 1 single minute, the AI generates the entire script, provides the voice narration, creates animated visuals, and perfectly syncs the automatic subtitles. All of it. Done. You literally go from a 50-page document to a ready-to-publish vertical short in the exact time it takes you to brew a cup of coffee. And what's truly incredible here is the sheer artistic flexibility. You aren't stuck with one, generic corporate AI art style. You can literally prompt it to use whiteboard animation, watercolor, clay animation, or paper-cut illustrations, and it'll build these smart diagrams to visually represent your data. Section 3, deep research and data upgrades. But wait, the Shorts feature isn't the only major announcement here. Under the hood, NotebookLM now officially runs on Google's Gemini 3.5 Flash model. On a practical level, this just means everything is significantly faster and smarter. The AI's reasoning is incredibly strong now, so loading up massive notebooks with dozens of heavy documents runs super smoothly, completely without lag. Then there's the highly anticipated deep research tool. So previously, you had to manually find, vet, and upload every single piece of information yourself. Now, you just give it a single topic, and the Deep Research Assistant automatically gathers relevant sources, pulls citations, and organizes these comprehensive reports for you. It's really stepping up from being just a simple summarizer to acting as a true, active research partner. Oh, and we've got to talk about the new data tables feature. Think about how messy it is to compare specifications or financial data across, say, dozens of different PDFs. NotebookLM can now instantly extract and organize all that scattered information into clean, easy-to-read comparison tables, just like this breakdown comparing laptop models, battery life, and price. And here is the huge productivity boost to go along with that. Once the AI builds that perfect comparison table, you can export it directly into Google Sheets with just a single click. No copying and pasting, no fixing weird formatting issues. It just works seamlessly, instantly moving your research into an actionable, shareable spreadsheet. Section 4, the current limitations. Now, before you completely replace your entire workflow, there are a few limitations you definitely need to know about. First up, the AI voice narration for the generated short videos only supports English right now. While the text features are multilingual, the automated voices for these specific shorts haven't quite caught up just yet.
Secondly, there is currently no built-in timeline editor for the videos. If you don't like a specific visual, you can't just tweak it on a timeline. You actually have to adjust your text prompt and generate a whole new version of the video. Also, early users have noted occasional subtitle overlaps, where text might temporarily cover a key part of an animated diagram, which requires a quick reprompt to fix. Finally, keep in mind that daily generation limits apply. Generating video and audio is computationally heavy stuff. Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers currently get generous daily quotas to work with, while the broader free tier access is still rolling out and is likely going to be much more restricted.
Section 5. Your next big move.
So, knowing the capabilities and the minor limitations, who actually benefits most from this? Honestly, it's an absolute lifesaver across the board. If you're a student, an educator, a creator, a marketer, or if you're running a small business, this was built for you. You can repurpose study notes or long blog posts into highly engaging social media content without ever staring at a blank page.
What we're witnessing here is a complete paradigm shift. NotebookLM has officially transformed from a simple, helpful document reader into a full-fledged AI research and presentation studio. It's democratizing content creation in a way we really haven't seen before, all while keeping everything perfectly grounded in your actual verified data. Which leaves us with the most important question of this entire explainer. How will you use NotebookLM to create your first AI short? I want to challenge you right now. Drop a comment below and tell me exactly what topic, specific document, or crazy idea you plan to turn into an AI short today. Thanks so much for joining me to explore this incredible update and keep pushing the boundaries of what you can learn and create.